Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I'm using this glass bottle. The procedure is same before I have been doing for my dolls or figurines or sculptures video, whatever you call it. So I will be making the figure first with the foil. I will give the shape, then I will be sticking it with the hot glue with the bottle to the bottle, and then I will be making the arms as well with the foil, and then you will see the rest of the procedure is same. These are the arms. I'm just turning them around, twisting them, and I will be sticking it in this way to have more grip and more stability. Then I will be adding more foil to the arms when I want to make them longer. And then this is the wire which I will be inserting inside the foil to make the neck and head. For the more grip and stability, I'm doing this instead of using just the foil. So yeah, I'm learning with my experience. So I will be covering the foil with this masking tape or the paper tape. This is done, and then I will be giving the shape, the pose to the arms. So after that I can apply the tape on it and it can hold the shape properly. So these are still needs to be longer, but for the time being I'm just doing it now. And here is the foil piece which I will be using for the head, to make the head. And neck I will leave it, I will not apply the foil on it. To make it more thin and classy, I will be using just clay on top of the wire instead of using the foil. And then this paper of foil I'm using on the arms. I will be twisting them again to make the shape, and yes, these are longer a little bit. First I will check where I need to how much I need the length for the arms. So after I will be cutting off the excess of the foil, and then I will be covering the foil for the head and the arms as well with the masking tape or the paper tape. And this is the pose I want for her body to be. And here then I will be completing her figure with the pieces of foil, and then this part also will be covering with the paper tape. Here it's done. You can see I have covered it. Now I'll be using spackling paste or whatever you call a texture paste, or you can use even cement with glue or water, or you can use the plaster of Paris as well. So I'm covering this sculpture with this spackling paste or texture paste, and I will leave it to dry completely. So here it's dry now completely, and then I will be using the clay. You can use any kind of air dry clay. This clay I used for my previous video as well. I was planning to make more sculptures with this clay. This is actually I bought it from market, from the art area, the art and crafts center. They were doing some sculptures with faces and complete bodies, so I bought it from them, as I said before. And then I'm using this clay. You can use any kind of clay available at your home. Then after making her head, I will be covering the arms as well and some parts of the body as well with this clay, and I will leave it to dry completely. And here first I will be making the hairs. I will not show complete procedure of making hairs because this is time-taking things. You can make any style of hairs you want, in easy way or more complicated ways or anything. It's up to you. So yeah, I will be finishing the hairs fast. Then I will be giving some detailings to hair. So here I'm using this wood tool to make the detailings for the hair. I'm mixing black and golden acrylic paints together to get the bronze color. So this I will be covering her body, her hair, her face with this color. You can use any color of your choice, white, complete black, or brown as well. So I'm using it in dark bronze color for her face, hair and body. After the color got dry, now I'm using this stretchable fabric. This was actually a shirt. The sleeve part I took it just to cover it, the bottom part of the bottle. So when I will be using the cement fabric on top of the bottle, so I will not be having the bottle prominent from the bottom. So just for my satisfaction, I was covering the bottle first with the fabric, normal fabric. Then I will be using the fabric with cement to make the draping and the style for her dress. So before dipping the fabric into the cement, I will be making some neck style for the dress to make it not just a simple piece, to give it a style. You can use any style of course you want. I will stick this little bit piece of fabric on the edge of the basic fabric to stick it around the neck, and then I will be cutting the sides as well a little bit to make the shoulders part prominent. And this is how it looks like. So to make bottle a little bit taller, I'm using thick pieces of cardboard to stick the bottle for the stability as well, and to make it a little bit higher. And if you want, of course you can put the sand or stones inside the bottle for more stability. So this is the cement and water. I'm dipping this fabric into the cement, and then I will start to give the style and the draping shapes for the dress. First I will put the neck side first, so I can have idea that how much fabric I need to put it on the sides and for the bottom, for the draping, for the styling. So every one of you, whoever is watching, if you guys still did not subscribe to my channel, please do support me because I really need it. And less subscribers and less views are actually giving me discouragement to do not work more. But if you subscribe to my channel, if you support me, if you share my videos with your family and friends and on your social media, that will be so encouraging for me, and that will be so much grateful if you do so, to support my channel, because I have so many great ideas, but actually I was a little bit feeling down because of less views and those things. So do subscribe to my channel to support my hard work and give me ideas what else you guys want to watch for the videos, for the ideas, whatever you want. So here it's dry now, the cement, and you can see how it looks beautiful even without any colors. So now I'm using this clay hat I made. It was so simple to make. As you can see, I just rolled it and I put a ball on top of the hat to make it a head shape, which I will be sticking over her head. By using some more clay, I will stick this clay on top of the her hair. Then I will be sticking the hat on top of this, so the clay is wet and it can hold the head properly. So here I'm using this blue acrylic paint to make her dress and hat with the same color. You can use the color of your choice. I'm using this golden acrylic paint to highlight some parts of her dress, the draping parts. So I have already prepared a chair bench and some bricks floor with the cardboard pieces and some spackling paste. I didn't show the tutorial because I don't think so most of the people they want to watch the tutorial for these easy things. So anyway, I have made it in my style. I will be sticking this little bit tiny flower near the bench, and then I will stick the sculpture on top of this bricks part, just to make it a different style and to make it looks beautiful. And here I have this handmade flower from craft form. It was almost the same color of the dress, so I will be make it hold in her hand, and that's totally up to you, whatever you want to add more. So here we are done. I hope you like this tutorial, and I totally loved it because of her dress shape and the bench and those small tiny bricks I have made. So I loved it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and comment down below what else videos you want to watch. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing, and bye for now.